Guys, ang aming time is hindi pa kami nag-out 6:30, so si Majid Khan is here. The light is very yellow color. So Majid Khan is waiting for the time also, guys, because our time is extended into 6:30 instead of 5:30. So we're going home 6:30 p.m. So we reached in the house within 7 o'clock. So Majid is too much busy today. So he has a lot of work.
Marlon, my friend, as a Siddiq.
Speak.
Sawa ana Siddiq. Siddiq malum friend. Okay, no problem.
Speak English, Majid Suya.
Okay, bas as a this number as a okay, salam. Thanks all people as a friend Marlon. Okay, thanks. Goodbye.
Hoy, goodbye, no finish.
Finish. Naji ana lehen as a anta
Okay.
kalam.
Okay, thank you guys. Majid is very good person. He is
Okay.
my friend. He is my friend because he is good guy. Nice
Okay,
person.
okay, thanks,
So
thanks.
goodbye and good night to one and all. Bye bye
Working today is working bus.
guys. Speak
Saudi
Majid.
Arab.
Speak Majid. Majid, he is too much work today. Katir Shokol. Too much work always. Salary always delay. So that's it guys for tonight, and God bless us all. Bye bye.
Okay, thanks.
Mahal salam.
Thanks. Good. Like.
Katir ko sa the light malam. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.